Hello everyone. Today I am sharing a important thing about mindfulness. That is why mindfulness is important at work or studies and its benefits of mindfulness. So don't skip this video. You can learn something in this video. Watch till end. The benefits of mindfulness have been receiving much attention over recent years, with many companies introducing mindfulness at work initiatives to benefit their staff, including giant corporations such as Google, Nike and Procter and Gamble. But how can this practice make any difference? The concept of mindfulness is defined as the process of bringing one's attention to what is occurring in the present moment and without judgment. The aim is to be fully aware of your thoughts, feelings and actions, but without getting caught up in them. Rooted in Eastern philosophies, the practice is based on meditation and has the following benefits for the regular mindfulness students and work who had daily based. Number 1. Reduces stress and mental health issues. Scientific studies have shown that mindfulness has the power to change the structure of your brains to allow to respond to stress in their healthier way. It does this by lowering the production of cortisol, the stress hormone. Mindfulness can be particularly effective in lowering the negative effect of mental health issues such as anxiety and depression when used together with cognitive behavior therapy and medication. Number 2. Improves focus and concentration. With regular practice, mindfulness can train your brain to stay fully focused on the present, meaning you are able to divert your full attention to what you are doing now, while minimizing the impact of any distractions. Your mind will retain the information for longer, and the ability to approach each task calmly is likely to boost both your self-confidence and performance at work. Number 3. Teaches greater resilience. A mindful approach to the present can help us to learn to appreciate the purely experiential self, rather than the learned narrative that we tell ourselves about who we think we are should be. This can be helpful in the face of change and or adversity brought about by, say, an unexpected life event, sudden job loss or major career change. Number 4. Helps to develop better relationships. Strong self-awareness, the ability to empathize and desire to behave with altruistic intent are important cornerstones for developing meaningful relationships. Mindfulness helps us to respond more authentically to people, which in turn builds trust and understanding, key ingredients for resilient workplace connections and collaborations. Number 5. Encourages creative thinking. Practicing mindfulness on a regular basis stimulates divergent thinking, which can be hugely beneficial for creative brainstorming and ideation sessions, helping to produce innovative ideas and solutions for all kinds of business problems. These are the benefits for everyone, and don't wait for the right time to start. Make a right time and start. If you don't know how to get started your mindfulness practice, then check out my video 5 steps to start your mindfulness practice. Link has been given in description below. Do check that video. In that you will learn to start mindfulness practice by simple steps. Do subscribe if you find my videos useful, and do click bell icon after subscribing, or else you will miss my videos and its notification. Like if you find it knowledgeable and useful. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how these benefits help for your mindfulness work. Share this video with your friends and family. Even they learn this useful knowledge and my channel also gets support. And finally, thanks for watching.